the Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, Jam Fam, come hang with we. Jam Fam, come hang with we.
Hello. Good day and welcome back to another one of our videos. On today's video, we're just going to talk about our visit to the BBC. So we went to London and we did a visit to the BBC on one of our last trips that we did there. And we're just going to let you enjoy that day with us. So do enjoy. And if you have been to the BBC before or any of the spots that you see on the video in London, just let us know what your experience was like when you went there, and would you go back or encourage others to go there and visit? My last day, it was happy sad moments. On my last day, I was delighted that I was going to be on a long sabbatical, but I was also sad because I was going to be losing or leaving colleagues that I've worked with for 7 years. I was going to be leaving my students behind, especially the ones who were close to their GCSEs, and I wanted to be able to take them up through to that process. However, these things need to happen sometimes. I'm so grateful for the people who have decided that they were going to celebrate me in such a way as giving me gifts. And I appreciate their gesture of kindness and appreciation for the service that I have done. And I'm thankful for their generosity. This region of London is one where we frequent very often, even though we don't live in London. However, it was a pleasure to be able to just go there as sort of a tourist experience rather than just going to sort out the usual things that we go there to do. So we wanted to take our time and have that experience of it in that way. Because sometimes when you are around things and you have it all the time and it's always there, you take it for granted. And so we know that we won't be going there for a little while, so we just wanted to savor the experience. My My sister Kamika is the one that's behind the camera, making sure that we have memories of our experience. Of course, I saw the table tennis, and so I wanted to go and indulge. Keisha was more interested in reclining and relaxing and enjoying herself.
Do you want a video over here or a picture? You're gonna have brunch at Bluebird.
But eventually she caught on to the table tennis or ping pong, whichever you say. Let us know down below what you say. Do you say ping pong or table tennis? And she was also drawn to it as well, so she decided to come across to play. And Eliona, with her strength, hit the ball all the way across the green. At this point, I had had my fair share of playing and decided to pass it over to the professionals so Keisha and Eliona could have some time together playing. They are very close in their relationship, and it will be challenging for them to be apart, as far apart as they will now be. Of course, I was not going to pass up on the opportunity to just sit back and relax and unwind. And Kamika was indulging in making sure to do a video shoot and a photo shoot all at the same time. But we could hear in the background that there is something going on over in the studio and the recording area of the grounds of the BBC. After that surprise performance, we left and went to this lovely park nearby. We just wanted to relax and unwind in the atmosphere and we walked down the footpath through the cool trees shade, and then we went down to this stream that's just at the foot or the bottom end of the park. We went and played in the stream for a bit and just tried to soak it all in, knowing that we won't be doing this again for quite some time. And that sound that it was making just reminded me of some of the sounds from going to the river as a child. So it was quite soothing at a point of the year when it was quite stressful trying to organize everything for our move.
Aww. It's so serene.
This park and its tranquil space bring back some fun memories and also put me into an atmosphere as to what I want to be experiencing in my life over the next year and what I hope to achieve when I come to Jamaica. And we couldn't end off going to that park without finishing off the moment with a photo shoot as well.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising to the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, Jam Fam, come hang with we. Jam Fam, come hang with we. The Jam Fam family, Jam Fam, come hang with we. Jam Fam, Come hang with we